How to use Instagram Reel undo button feature. So hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Instagram Reel undo button feature. So to use this feature, head to your Instagram app and then tap the plus icon at the top left corner of your screen. Then select a reel from the menu and then record a video. Tap on camera to record a video or just select clips from a camera roll. Now tap next in the bottom right corner and then tap open in edits or edit video button at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now this will open your full editing timeline where you can see your video tracks, audio tracks and text layers. Now make any change to your video, for example, split a clip, add text or change a filter. Now look directly above your video timeline on the right side. You will see two curved arrows. Left facing curved arrow is an undo button, while the right facing curved arrow is the redo button. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.